everyone, today I'm going to talk to you about journaling, and I'm excited to show you my 30-day writing journal. Now, what is journaling? Journaling is like keeping a diary, and it's about just writing about your thoughts, about your response to things that happen during the day or your life. It's like a diary, but you can also keep stories, keep a journal of poems, songs, or anything that you like. So before I go into this journal, I want to show you what I've done, so you give you an idea of what you can do. Now you can keep a journal about your trip. This is a journal about my trip to Japan, and so I kept things about the trip. Okay, it was a trip in 2017, I think. So I've also included the places that I would go. It was a tour. So I also kept things that I went through, like the tickets, the hotel, notes, even the sakura, the flower, right? I also kept it. In fact, you can also find it here. So this is like a junk journal. I keep even the map of Kyoto, you can see here. And I got this about the tea, how to make your green tea, and what happened over there. It was very cold, and some pictures. It's more like a collection of what happened, a remembrance of my days in Japan. This is ticket to the garden. See, I made some pockets like this to keep all the things, and you can write about it. These are postcards, right? And these are things that I collected. Okay, and finally, this is a 2 origami pieces given by a Japanese driver to us before we left. The street food, you can write about it here, right? I visited Uniqlo, what happened. So this is an example. It's still not finished, imagine that. Or you can keep a journal like this. It's an art journal, junk journal, which I made from a magazine. Okay, so you can do your art, and then you can print something and put it. See, you can see it's a magazine. It's not finished yet. This is my idea magazine kind of thing. So when I'm free, I will write or play with it. Okay, so this is another idea. This is a junk journal, and I paint in it. Okay, this is a collage I made, and still not finished yet. Okay, so some days I just make quotations. So it could be a journal of quotations and art. Another one is a daily one, which I call bullet journal. Not I, but it's a bullet journal where I also plan my day, plan my month, what I want to achieve, a goal. So as students, you can use this bullet journal, and my workout, what I do, what exercise I do, and I plan for the month for my reading. I also keep a journal of gratitude, what I'm grateful for, right? And this is my Shopee sale of my book. It has hit 4,000 now, so I haven't really updated it yet. My Instagram subscribers, my YouTube subscribers, and this is the weekly one, July. So you can have a look at it. And there are days when I also write in it. These are my self-care goals. Okay, you can see July 20, and I write in it things that I'm learning, things to remember, and I also give a review of the month. So back to this one, the 30-day writing journal. Now, if I ask students to write in their journal, they will be so frightened to see the empty page. So what I've done is I came up with an idea long ago, and I gave this to my students, and they were so happy doing this. So I thought, well, why don't I put this up and try it on all the other students? And we did, and it was fun, right? So the first page is all about me. Nothing serious. It's just something you fill up very easily in a few minutes. So I took 1 minute or 2 minutes just now, just to fill up. All about you, 3 words that describe me. What are you really good at? Games. Who are your friends? Your superpower. Okay, I can't draw, but maybe you can draw. So it's in color. I love it. So you don't need to do any decorations here. It's all filled up for you. So nothing threatening. Okay? And then there's a note from me for you. They say that a journey of 1,000 miles begins with the first step. Today you are taking that first step towards improving your English. Now, one of the best thing about journaling is you improve your English as you write. Doesn't matter, nobody's going to correct your grammar mistakes. We just want you to start writing, right? So I have 30 days with prom. So today I started 26 August. So you're going to write down the date. Write about 3 things you like about yourself. So I wrote here, I can sing in tune and play musical instruments. I have the eye for the ball when playing games, so I'm pretty good at games. I can write stories very well. I just need a line or a prompt, and I can come up with a plot. So you don't need to write very long, just a list. Okay, so it's not threatening you at all. Day 2, what is something you dislike about yourself, right? So something very simple, you can write it here, and I've added a sticker here. So you have day 3, day 4. I like day 5. Shall we do day 5 together? If you could open an online store, what kind of things would you sell? Okay, let's write about that. If I could open an online store, I would sell all types of journals, stickers. I would sell stickers, definitely stickers, papers, and decorations. I would also sell washi tapes. If you don't know what is washi tape, I'll show you. Okay, what kind of things would you sell? Maybe I would also sell some books. What would you sell? Online store, Shopee or Lazada or whatever. What would you sell? So maybe you want to decorate it a bit here. It's up to you if you like. Girls like flowers. Okay, so maybe you want to use some washi tape here, which I got from DIY. Okay, so you're from Malaysia. This is no problem. It's rather cheap. So maybe I just want to put some flowers here. It's really up to you. Be happy. Okay. So what happens if you want to add a little bit more? Let's say this part is too short, alright? So you might want to add. So you can take a card, or you can take a piece of paper. It's okay. And maybe you want to use the washi tape here. Oh, let's use a lot of washi tape here. And you want to add another piece here, maybe. So you can do that. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to add a page. There you go. Oops, one more time. Not sticky. Okay, so hopefully this will stay. So you can flip open if you want. All right, okay, let's add another one here. Okay, so you can even add 2 pages if you like. Okay, just to add more about your dream vacation, or you want to add a picture here. Okay, or you could get these notes, memo notes, which you can stick here just to add extra space. Okay, so you have a chance to add more if you like, right? Like day 15. Congratulations, you're halfway through your journal. If you could open a restaurant, what type of food would you serve? Write your menu below. Yay! So you might want to write the menu, you might want to draw. Okay, and you might also buy some stickers like this. I got this from DIY, of course. Okay, and you can put it here or here. That looks nice. Okay, treasure these moments, the best time here. Okay, that's one I want to do. Here, this one. Can you see this one? Write a note to your teacher to thank him or her for all she has done for you. So this is too short for me. I just want to write something here for the teacher. What shall I write? Who? Okay. Dear Mrs. Ong. Okay. Just a note to say thanks for all the things you have taught me. Okay, thank you for being my maths teacher from Form 1 to Form 3. You are an amazing teacher. Love, Jenny. Okay, so this is just a quick one. You might do a little one that is longer than this, and you're going to like stick it here with washi tape maybe, or you just want to glue it here. It's up to you. Okay. Done. Okay, just want to fold it up, keep it. Again, I got this from DIY. Yay. Okay, so I hope this has really given you some ideas on what to write, and there's space for you to draw, spaces for you to draw as well. Okay, and if you don't have enough space, you can easily add another piece of paper here, and you do it for 30 days with your teacher. And the last page is a tracker. So let's say today I've done day 1, then I'll probably put a sticker here. Alright, I've done day 5 just now, so I'll probably put a sticker here. And when you finish, you feel so happy. Okay, now this is a mood tracker. So for example, today day 1 I started, I'm happy, I'm going to color this green. So this mood tracker is fun to do. Okay, and I'll probably add some envelope here so that I can put all my stickers and things that I want to use here. So I hope you have fun using this. Now you can get these from Shopee. I'll put the link below. So enjoy it. Any questions, any comments, please put it at the comment section so that I get a response and feedback from you. And I look forward to hearing from you. Bye.